This is a box opening of a torque wrench I got from Amazon. Here's the torque wrench. It says here it's a Puibers or something like that. It's basically about a foot long. It's a 3/8 drive. Has a button to release the sockets or crow's foot. It comes in a gradient, as you can see right there. Foot-pounds, from 5 foot-pounds to 50. Has Newton meters on the rear. It has a symbol to pull to adjust. It also has just your typical on and off drive mechanism. It came with a certificate of calibration, and this one here I got a week ago maybe, and it says 9/19/24 is when it was tested and calibrated with the air. The one thing about a torque wrench is you want consistency across all the bolts that you're doing. Allow me to show you the paperwork that came with it. You can slowly stop if you need to read what it says. This came in the box. Tells you how to do the scale. And basically you add the number as you go through. And that's not in English, but let me have it there in case you're from a different country and want to read the language that's there. I think that's German. Followed by French maybe? I think this is Spanish. Wow. And I don't know what this language is. But that's okay. What they're referring to is that you basically add, this is 0, so you have 5 pounds. This would be 5.25, 5.5. So that's how you add the numbers. All right. So now on. Thanks for watching to my next video.